So hello everyone, this is Majubi and I welcome you all back to this channel, and today is the day 3 for your series which is going on. And let's start with that. Everyone, let's discuss some 10 questions today, and the error is related to tenses. So the question number 1 is, when you will find a solution to this problem, you will be able to get this project. Okay, so where is the error? Yeah, it's very clear. The error is in part A because we had already discussed, just a moment. Yeah, because we had already discussed that whenever we have here when, okay, other than when, we have some other words like until, okay, after, as, okay. Whenever we get these words in the beginning of the sentence, we will not use will after that. Okay, so the correct formation should be, when you find out a solution to this problem, you will be able to get this project. Similar type of question we had already done before. Okay, so and question number 2 says, the teacher told us that we should remain in the hostel if it rains. Okay, so where is the error in this? Error is in part D. Yeah, and why there is an error in this part? It is because whenever we have a reporting verb in past tense, okay, whenever we have reporting verb in past tense, okay, here our formation, our reported speech also should be in past tense. For example, if it is here it rains, it should be it rained. If it rained, okay, if it rained should have been the correct formation for this. Okay, so the error is in part D. Next question is, I could not recall what she has advised me in this matter. Where is the error? Here ये बोल रहा है I could not, it's in past tense, isn't it? So here this word shouldn't have been there. Instead of has, we should have used here had. Okay, had would have been the correct formation for this sentence. So the error is in part B. Okay, next question we will see. Next question says, by this time tomorrow she has had reached there positively. Okay, so see where is the error in this? By this time tomorrow. Okay, so somebody is predicting that someone will have reached or would have reached. Okay, so see here it is given has had reached. Is it possible? No. For tomorrow, how can we use has had reached? Okay, so the correct formation should have been, by this time tomorrow she will have reached. Okay, she will have reached. She will have reached. Okay, yeah, so error was in part B. Next question says, I will inform you as soon as I will get any news. Just before sometime we had discussed that whenever we have words like as soon as or until, as well as when, after, whenever we have these types of words, we won't be using will there. Okay, so the correct formation should have been, I will inform you as soon as I get any news. So the error is in part C. Okay, next question says, a recent survey indicates that the number of drug addicts grew day by day. See where is the error? The error is in which part? Yeah, error is in D part. So it will be, the sentence is actually in present progressive, means it is talking about something which is continuing. Okay, so is growing should have been the correct formation. Is growing. Okay, is growing. A recent survey indicates that the number of drug addicts is growing day by day. Clear hai ye? So we'll take another question. Just a moment. Yeah, next question says, before the alarm had stopped ringing, Reena had pulled up the shade. Okay, बताइए, before the alarm had stopped ringing. Yeah, before the alarm had stopped ringing. Now you have to see where is the recent past. So in in this part I can see recent part is there, recent past is there. Okay, so before the alarm stopped ringing. Okay, देखिए here Reena had done this long back. Okay, two pasts are there, one will be recent past and one past which already took place before recent past. Okay, so this part is correct because this is past perfect. Now this sentence should have been in simple past because this is the recent past, so had we will remove from here. Okay, the sentence formation will be before the alarm stopped ringing, Reena had pulled up the shade. Okay, so this should be the correct formation of the sentence. Now eighth one is, if I was you, I would have told the principal to keep his mouth shut. Okay, fine. So whenever we have something imaginary, okay, if I were a bird, okay, whenever we say if I were a bird, or if I were a teacher, if I were at your place, so what happens there? Instead of saying was, what we use there? Were. W-E-R-E, were. So the correct formation should have been, if I were you, I would have told the principal to keep his mouth shut. So the error is in part A. Now these two questions were already discussed. Okay, these two questions were already discussed, so I am not going to tell you the answers for these two questions because in the last video itself I think we had discussed them. Okay, so kindly write the correct answer in the comment box, and thank you for giving your valuable time, and give it a like if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye bye, take care.